Hi student, how are you? I think your health will good. So today we'll discuss the remaining part of the your circular flow income. In circular flow income, we have discussed two sector economy and four sector economy. In two sector economy, household and farms. How the relationship is cycling or circulation of the farms and household we have discussed clearly it. Uh, Then also we have discussed your four sector economy or your open economy, that is your household, government, farms and rest of the world mean the abroad. So we'll discuss now the remaining part of the circular flow. Uh, Today we'll discuss two things, that is real flows and money flows. In real flows, this these refers to the flows of goods and services. These are real because they consist of actual goods and services. When factor services means the land, labor, capital and enterprise flow from household to farms which require them for producing goods and services. These are called the real flows. Okay, so in real flows there is a happening the actual goods and services. Okay, the actual goods and services for the factor payment, factor service, for the factor service. Factor service means what? Land, labor, capital and enterprise. These are the real flows to the firms. Similarly, when goods and services produced by firms flow from producing enterprises to household who buy them for satisfying their wants, these are also real flows. Such flows are continuous and there is no beginning point or ending point in this flow. So in similar way, household, okay, is giving household is actual goods and service. In the case of actual goods and service, household giving the factor service to the firm in the form of land, labor, capital and enterprise. Okay, in similar way, the firm also giving the goods and services what produced by the farm to the household, and the household who buy the goods and services from the farm for their satisfying or for their wants satisfying. This is also real flows. So in real flows is in two ways. One way is a household giving the factor service to the farm, and farms giving the goods and services for consumption or satisfying the wants of the household. So this is the real flow of the circular flow of income. Then come to now money flows. In money flows we will discuss, this refers to the flows of money in the form of factor payments and consumption expenditure. The money flows occur since it is through money that various transactions are conducted. It is money that facilitates such transactions, bringing flows of money from one sector to another. When factor income, rent, wages, interest and profit flow from farm to household are rewards for their factor service, these are called money flows. So in money flows, the factor payments and consumption expenditure is happening here. In money flows, there is a various transaction are conducting, like for factor payments, rent, wages, interest and profit. Rent is given to land, wages given to labor, interest given to capital and profit given to entrepreneurs. These are the monetary term, and in monetary way the firm is giving the factor payment or doing the factor payment, and here household is earning the factor incomes. Here household is earning the factor income, and firms are paying the factor payments. These are the money flows. Similarly, when households spend their income on purchase of goods and services, and as a result money flows back to firm, these also indicate money flows. So firms is giving the money payment or factor payment as rent, wages, interest and profit to the household, and in this case household is earning income, and similarly the household is going to purchase the goods and service from the firms by using the money and spending the income to satisfy the wants or needs. These are what you can say by purchasing the goods and services from the farm sector. So the money or the income, the money income will go to farm through the goods and services sell in the market. So this is also your money flows. Done. So we have completed two things, that is money flows and real flows in circular flow of income. This is too much for today. So we'll stop today. Thank you to all of you.